September. So that's literally in 2 months. Yo, chat, am I not correct? That's 2 months, right? That's in 2 months. I will meet KSI in 2 freaking months. So, chat, that is a huge freaking dub, y'all. But to be honest, bro, believe it or not, watch how it go. Chat, believe it or not, watch how it go faster than you think it is, chat. Watch how it go faster. Watch how it go by faster than you think it is, bro. But chat, we are about to light these fireworks right now. Y'all see these, man? Oh, look what he said. Oh, nah. He just loved it. Are y'all down to light these damn fireworks, bro? Are you guys ready to light these freaking fireworks? Now, I ain't gonna lie. KSI seem cool. Doesn't he, chat? Doesn't KSI seem cool? Like, it'd probably be nice to meet him. But he still doesn't get hoes, though. That's crazy. Imagine still not getting hoes. That's fucking crazy. He doesn't get no type of hoes, bro. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's go! I got a lot of fireworks right now. First one off! Let's light the Pikachu one, y'all. Let's light the Pikachu one, y'all. So I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? Where the fuck my lighter at? No. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. All right, Pikachu. Mom! Oh my goodness! No!
Oh my God, is it a fire?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know. I thought.
Oh my God!
Stop.
Turn that stream off.
I didn't.
Oh my God, this is on fire.
I didn't know. I thought it was the popping ones, Mom.
Oh my fucking God. I'm sorry.